What's going on, guys? It's Luke here. Gonna run through this trade recap of this one trade today that we took on NQ. Now, this was a super low risk trade. I didn't even expect to take this, but I ended up just seeing something and I just said, basically just fuck it, I'm gonna take this. And we ended up catching just a very small take profit, 1.52R. Again, I did not risk heavy on this at all. Today was Monday. We had orange folder news at 8:30, and usually I'm a little iffy on Monday to trade. And I said I was gonna go in, if anything, with very low risk, and we ended up catching something. But let's just get right into this. So starting on the 4 hour, okay, price was moving up. We obviously had that higher time frame SMT. Price was pushing up and we were just getting an extended push to the upside. I was kind of unsure of bias. I was just kind of waiting to see what price wanted to do. So I have all these sell side draws marked out down here, and then this was our 9 a.m. candle coming into the day. I had this swing high, this fair value gap right here. We had these highs over here, and then we had this daily high all the way over here. And we just had all these draws up here. So I was pretty much just marking everything out and just seeing kind of what price wanted to do. So this is what price was looking like, at the start of right going into 9 a.m., right? So I was like, okay, if price can come back, you know what I mean? We'll look for longs up to here, or if we sweep higher, we'll look for sells to take out all this sell side. And as you can see, the 9 a.m. candle literally just went crazy, and the 10 a.m. candle went crazy, ended up pushing up, taking out this high, filling it past this fair value gap, taking out all of this, taking out that daily high. And I just found no entry on the 5 minute, you know what I mean? We just literally just pushed up, and we never really got a pullback. It was just candle. And then finally, this is where I decided to take a bit of a gamble right here. I seen, after sweeping out this daily high, I seen at the 15 minute, pulled back and respected this tiny 15-minute bullish fair value gap. We poked into it, and I was just like, okay, obviously this market's super overextended, and obviously I wouldn't want to trade in a super overextended market after taking out a swing high, right? But I said 15 minutes respecting a bullish order flow and a bullish continuation confluence. The 5 minute had swept out all of these lower time frame lows right here, and this was the main reason of why I ended up taking this trade. So again, we're in a super overextended market. Yes, we just took out a swing high. Obviously, I should be looking for reversals, but the 15 minutes respecting continuation, the 5 minute just swept out lows. But on the 1 minute, right here, I seen all of this low resistance liquidity. So as you can see right here, failure swing right here, failure swing right here. We have all of this low resistance, lower time frame buy side liquidity. And my thought process was, I think that price is going to want to manipulate up, take out all of these swing highs right here, all of these failure swings, and then potentially rotate back to the downside. And I feel like I can walk away with a small take profit in the meantime. So this was literally my entry right here off of this 1 minute break of structure. I ended up entering off of this 11 a.m. candle, and usually 11 a.m. is going to bring good volume into the market. So again, from the top, the 4 hour was pushing up. 1 hour had pushed up and closed strong bullish for the 9 a.m. and the 10 a.m. close. We took out this swing high, and I was looking for a short-term little scalp kind of trade. 15 minute was respecting a small bullish fair value gap right here. The 5 minute had swept out all these lower time frame lows. 1 minute, we entered off this breaker structure, and we literally just targeted all of these small failure swings right here. I figured, again, like I said, if price can manipulate up, then it would probably rotate back down, but I feel like we can catch a scalp in the meantime. 1.52R, and I'll press forward, and we got some drawdown right there, and then we ended up smacking take profit. And then if I take this off, you could see price literally manipulated to the upside above all that buy side, and then it started to rotate back down. We kind of had to push back up, and since then it's just been straight barcode consolidation. I was gonna leave a runner, honestly, but then I just thought about it, and I was like, there's literally no point. Literally, price is so overextended, like it's just stupid. I'm just gonna take it and walk away. So that's gonna wrap it up for me, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, not an ideal trade, but I went super insanely low risk on this, just like a few micros, and happy to walk away with something. So not ideal, but we walk away with something, and the continuation model works. So I have a video going over how I trade continuations. It's going to be dropping sometime this week, probably Thursday, because it's a bank holiday on Thursday. So I'll probably drop it then, or like Saturday, something like that. So stay tuned for that. But that's going to wrap it up for me, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until the next one, give me a like, subscribe, comment in the video, follow me on Twitter, link in the description if you guys want to support the channel. That's all for now. See you guys in the next one. Peace.